The equation E equals mc² is one of the most famous equations in physics, and it is derived from Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. Let's break down its meaning and significance. Meaning: E represents energy, m represents mass, c represents the speed of light in a vacuum, which is approximately 299,792,458 meters per second. The equation states that the energy, E, of an object is equal to its mass, m, multiplied by the speed of light, c, squared. In other words, it shows the equivalence between mass and energy. Significance: mass-energy equivalence. The equation suggests that mass and energy are different forms of the same underlying entity. It implies that mass can be converted into energy and vice versa. This concept revolutionized our understanding of the fundamental nature of matter and energy. Enormous energy content. The equation reveals that even a small amount of mass contains an enormous amount of energy. The speed of light squared is a very large number, so a small amount of mass can be converted into a vast amount of energy. This insight led to the development of nuclear energy and atomic weapons. Relativistic effects. The equation is also fundamental to Einstein's theory of relativity, which describes how space, time, and mass energy are interconnected. It explains phenomena such as time dilation and length contraction, demonstrating that energy and mass affect the fabric of spacetime. Overall, E equals mc² is a profound equation that demonstrates the relationship between energy and mass, paving the way for groundbreaking discoveries in physics and shaping our understanding of the universe.